Hi, I'm Paul from RV Wholesalers, and today I'm going to talk to you about checking your tires before and after you go on a trip. Checking your tires is very important because if you have a tire blowout, it can cause severe damage to your RV. So one of the most important things you want to do is make sure all your tires have the same air pressure on them, and you should check them every time before and after you go on a trip. The tire pressure is located on the sticker on the other side of your RV. You'll see here for your tires is 65 psi for each tire. So now we'll come back over to the tires. Another issue that you should check is make sure that you have proper, your tires aren't worn too thin. And another one is if you run your hand and rub it over the tire, make sure it's nice and smooth, and you'll feel different imperfections or cupping, as they call it. Or if you see tire wear on one side of the tire or the other, or you'll see tire wear just in the middle and not on the outsides, or you could have tire wear on the sides and not in the middle. Those are signs that you should get your tires checked by a professional and possibly replace your tires based on their recommendations. If you have tires that are over 6 or 7 years old, you definitely should get them checked for replacement. And if you have any questions, contact rvwholesalers.com.